You may have recently talked to a marketing expert about placing your Facebook pixel on your Shopify website. Doing so is easy and is one of the best ways to improve your ad targeting, retarget to visitors and customers of your website, and create smart conversion campaigns that can help you show your ad to people in your web audiences who are most likely to convert. Go to your Ads Manager and make sure you're in the right account. This is my Ads Manager for my online pet store, which is where I want to be. Click on the hamburger icon in the upper left and then click on All Tools. Select Pixels under the Measure and Support column. If you haven't set up your pixel, scroll down slightly and click on Create a Pixel. You'll next have the opportunity to name your pixel. You can rename it later if you like. Next, click Create. Once the next screen loads, select Use an Integration or Tag Manager. Then, select Shopify. Now, before we move on to your Shopify account, let's copy your pixel ID, which you'll find here, or in the upper left corner on the Pixel tab of your Ads Manager. Next, let's go to your Shopify account and log in. Click Online Store in the left-hand menu, and a submenu will appear. Move your mouse down and select Preferences. Then, scroll down to the text box labeled Facebook Pixel. Here, paste the pixel ID we copied just a moment ago. And then finally, click Save in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. Now, when visitors who see your ad go to your website, Facebook will remember who they were and what they looked at, and then let you retarget them in future ads. Facebook can also help you find other potential customers just like them. Now let's return to Ads Manager and navigate back to our pixel screen. I'll just refresh the browser, and as you can see, the pixel has fired 8 times, signifying that my pixel is working. Most importantly, I can now build custom audiences of people who visit my site and create conversion campaigns using pixel data that will allow me to distribute my ad to people in my audience who are most likely to take specific actions, like purchasing products or filling out lead forms. There's one final step. We can now start tracking new and even existing Facebook ad campaigns with the Facebook Pixel. That way, we can see how effective our ads are based on the number of people going to and taking actions on our website. To get started, let's go to an active campaign in our Ads Manager and drill down to the ad level by first clicking on the campaign and then the ad set name. At the ad level, I can attach the pixel to a single ad or multiple ads by clicking the checkbox here and then clicking Edit. Now scroll down to the tracking section and turn on the Facebook Pixel. Finally, click Publish. Now, Facebook can track this ad's effectiveness by monitoring the website behavior of those who see or click on the ad. You'll want to make sure the pixel is working for you in this way on every ad you create. To learn more, visit facebook.com/business or facebook.com/blueprint for information and tutorials on the Facebook Pixel, custom audiences, and much more.